Are you manually adding your Instagram leads to Notion database? Then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. This task can be completely automated. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram leads to Notion and you don't have to do anything manually, and this automation is going to be created without even a single word coding. So now let me show you how this is going to be created, but before that let me show you the real-time working of this automation which I have already built in inside Pabbly Connect. So right here on my screen you can see inside Pabbly Connect I have already integrated both these applications, that is Instagram lead ads and Notion. So now as soon as I will receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads, the details of the lead will be automatically added in the Notion database. So now let's see it's working, and afterwards we will build this automation step by step. So for that let's move on towards my lead ad testing tool page. So here I'm going to use my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account, and on my Facebook account I have created this page, that is the magic makers, which I'm going to use. So here I'm going to select this page in this lead ad testing tool page. So here I have selected my page, and here my form has been already selected, by using which I'm going to receive my new Instagram lead. But firstly I have to delete my previous lead because I'm working on the test mode, so I can create only one lead per form. But no worries, you can create many leads on your permanent account. And now we just have to click over this preview form button as our lead has been deleted, and we are getting this form which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled this form providing email test@pabblytudes.com, first name test, last name lead, and here I have provided the phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. And now let's move on towards my Notion account, and here you can see I have created this database named as leads, where you can see I'm successfully receiving the details of the lead which I have recently filled over my Instagram lead ads form. And here you can see I'm getting the same name of my lead, that is test lead, email address as test@pabblytudes.com, the phone number and the city which I have recently filled. So this shows that the automation which I have built in is successfully working. So you can also create an automation like this for your own business too, and this is going to save you a lot of time. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and use this coupon code while you purchase. And now let's create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So for that you have to open the new tab and type the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all these products are provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an integration among both the application, that is Instagram lead ads and Notion, then we will be accessing this Pabbly Connect app by just selecting this access now button. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, and here you can see I have created these folders for organizing my workflows. So if you also want to organize your workflows, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you are getting this dialog box where you can provide the folder name and even select the parent folder and create your folder. And now let me show you how you can create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here it is asking me to select the workflow builder, and here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that we just have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name Stop Losing Instagram Leads, save them to Notion automatically, and now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ads, but you can select your trigger app according to the workflow you are creating. So here you can see I'm getting this application which I'm going to select, and now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and if you want to use your existing connection then you can even select the existing connection as well. And now for building the new connection we just have to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads, and here it is asking me to select the Facebook account connected with my Instagram account, and as I have already logged in my Facebook account, I'm going to just click over this continue button, and make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly for building a smoother connection. And here the connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting both these fields for selecting the page and the form. So here I'm going to select the page, that is the magic makers which I have created in my Facebook account. So I'm going to select it from this drop down, and afterwards I'm going to select the form created under this page. So here I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads in forms also. Now let's select new leads, and here we have to select the response format as simple so that we can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request button, and now you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new lead over our Instagram lead ads form. So for that, let's move on towards my meta for developers page with me. So here I'm landed to my meta for developers page, where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select, and here I'm landed to this page where I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RU debug tool, and here I'm landed to this lead ad testing tool page where I'm going to select the page which I have created in my Facebook account. So here I'm going to select the magic makers, and here my form has been already selected. Now let's delete the previous lead. As you know, I'm working on the test mode, and here my lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button, and now let's fill this form again. So here I have filled this form providing email new lead @pabblytudes.com, first name new, last name lead, and here I have provided the phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this data or not. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that 1 second ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have recently filled over our Instagram lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now we just have to add this data to the Notion in our database. So now we are done with the trigger app, and now let's add our action app, that is Notion. So I'm going to just click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my action application, that is going to be Notion. So here I'm going to search for it, and here you can see I'm getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create database item. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection we just have to select this button of add new connection. Now let's click over this connect with Notion, and here I'm going to just allow the access, and here I'm going to just select the pages and allow the access as my data is saved with Pabbly, and the connection is built in because I have already logged in my Notion account. So make sure to firstly log in it, and here my connection has been built in, and now we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the database. So here you have to select the database where you want to add your lead details. So here I'm going to select this database, that is leads, and here in my Notion account you can see this is the database where I'm going to save the details of my Instagram leads, and here the connection has been built in, and now we have to enter all these details of the lead. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter all these details, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is Instagram lead ads. So from the response of Instagram lead ads, I'm going to map the email of my lead. Now let's map the mobile number likewise. So here I'm going to map the mobile number. Now let's map another detail such as city, and here I'm going to map the name. So for the name I'm going to firstly map the first name, provide the space, and now let's map the last name. So with this we have mapped all our necessary fields. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the Notion. So here you can see we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that the data is added in our database. So now let's move on towards my Notion account, and here I'm landed to my database where you can see I'm receiving the same details of the lead which I have recently filled. And here you can even check that the data is accurate and 100% correct. So Pabbly assures that your data remain correct. So now you have seen the working of this amazing automation and how it is going to be created using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and save your time with the reduction of errors. And by using Pabbly Connect, you can just focus on growth of your business, not on these small manual tasks, as Pabbly is there for helping you. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.